Hey guys, Manas here, back with another video. Today I'm going to unbox iPhone 5s. Yes, iPhone 5s in 2018. So here's the box as you can see, and right here at the back it is mentioned a 16GB iPhone 5s is there. Pricing information and import dates are also mentioned right here. You already knew that, I guess. I bought this thing from OLX and let's begin with the unboxing. Okay, so after opening the box we can see the iPhone lying there. If I talk about the condition of the phone, the front side of the phone is scratchless, but there is a dent beside the power button. The sides, back and bottom are okay. Let's keep the phone aside for the time being and let's check what else I have got in the box. Well, I know what I have got obviously, but I want to show you people. So there I got the Apple earphones. I have not got the charger and hence I bought this aftermarket charger from a brand named ERD. Same specs as Apple charger, but I found the build quality of this cable is pretty good. Yes, far better than the Apple one. Now talking about the headphones, they are the original Apple earphones and I hope they are in good condition. I am not going to open this one because I'm not going to use this anyways. Okay, so let's put everything back in the box and let's talk about the phone now. Well, the phone's body is in good condition except some dents and scratches, but overall okay condition. The fingerprint sensor is also working, but I'm not able to figure it out how it works. Android guy, you know, but it works, I can say that. I will show you. So yeah, here it is. The phone is running quite smoothly as of now. Let me decrease the brightness a little bit. I have been using this phone for 2 weeks now and I can say it is very smooth. The phone is running iOS 11.2.6, the latest version as of now. So yeah, लोग बोलते रहते हैं कि iOS 11 के बाद iPhone 5s slow हो जाता है. But guys, after tweaking some settings, the phone is super usable. And if you want to purchase iPhone 5s in 2018, you can buy it, but don't buy it brand new. I got this phone for 7k and for 7k, I think this is a pretty good deal. But don't buy iPhone 5s for more than 7,000 rupees. You will find better Android devices. So that's all from me. If you find this video interesting, hit that like button, comment your suggestions below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. I will see you guys in my next one.